Hello everyone. If you are getting the PS5 error code NW1022544 while connecting it to the internet, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can try in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand why this error actually occurring. So this particular error is usually relating to the network connection issues. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to do is you need to simply turn off your router. After that, you need to unplug it and wait for 1 minute. Then you just have to simply turn off your PS5 as well. For that, you just have to press the PS button. After that, select the option of power. Then select the option of turn off PS5. Now turn the router back on after 1 minute. Wait for the internet to stabilize and then simply start your PS5. Now reconnecting your network can also fix the configuration errors. For that, you just have to simply come inside the settings of your PS5. Over here inside the settings, simply select the option of network. Now inside the network, again select the option of settings. Inside settings, you should see the option of setup internet connection. Now when selecting it, your Wi-Fi or LAN should be there and you need to basically enter your password again. This particular step is going to refresh your network related settings. Now over here you can also do make changes into the DNS settings. So here when you select the setup internet connection option, simply look for the option of advanced settings. Here simply select the option of DNS settings and then you can basically start making changes into the DNS settings. Over here you need to make sure that the primary DNS is 8.8.8.8 and your secondary DNS should be 8.8.4.4. So after doing this, you just have to save the settings and test the connection again. So you can try these easy troubleshooting methods and see if your PS5 is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.